Hello everyone, my name is Kirill. Hello Finn the guy. Hello! Finn the guy, do you want to know what did I learn today? Yes, sure! Okay, I hope you want to know it as well. Days I work a lot with React.js on our front end. And today I read an article from Evil Martians. Probably you know this company. Yes, that's a cool company from Russia. They're really techy and write cool blog posts. Yes, you're right. So, this day they wrote a post about modern Rails and JavaScript stack. So, this article is about how to write your app in 2018 if you want to use modern component-based approach. So, recently you switched from page-based front-end to component-based, and this is not only about React.js, this is also about Vue.js, for example. But they don't consider any of these frameworks. They just suggest this approach for you. In this article, they suggest their own approach of how to structure files, JavaScript files, which I don't really agree with, but for sure it's worth you to check it out. Especially if you're a new developer, if you either new in web development is in general, or if you are new in more front end focused work with Rails. You know, Finn, sometimes at my work I do code challenges assessments. When someone submits application for one of our job posting, on one of the stages they submit a code challenge, and some of developers, sometimes it's me, sometimes it's one of our other 50 plus developers, evaluate this code challenge. So today I evaluated one. It was a front end task, and this guy used the library Material UI. And I realized that I never seen this library before, so I went to Google to search for it, and I found that this is a built-in library for React, for other web frameworks as well, which provides you styling out of the box, and some components, if you're speaking about React, some components to build your app in a Google Material Design way. So that's pretty cool, and I checked it out, and I'm not sure that it's a really uh, good fit for production applications, but probably for pet projects or uh, for code challenges, it is definitely worth to try, worth to use. To be honest, it may be even ready for production. Like, you remember Bootstrap? For sure you remember. Yes, I remember. Bootstrap started being used only as a tool for developers who cannot make proper markup and proper design. But for now, not maybe not for now, but after some time, it had been used for in many different applications, and even now you still can see it is used a lot everywhere. Today, when I was riding a bicycle to home, I was listening to Tim Ferriss' show podcast. Probably you know this one. I will put it in show notes, not in Fin, but in show notes. And this guy today had been telling about his book he published about 10 years ago. It was a 4 hours week book. It's quite famous and it has very good rating on Amazon. I honestly never read it, but it's in my to do to read list. And they had a very nice point there. So they had few interesting points there, but the one which really touched my heart, and I suppose this expression is not used in English. Anyway, so one of the ideas was that you should have more than one identity in your life, more than one point of interest, more than one point of success or failure. Like, if you focused only on work, and on some day you have a really terrible situation at work, you didn't receive a you didn't get a promotion, or you, I don't know, had been fired, or you received negative feedback from someone which you didn't expect to, and you're really pissed off. This may ruin your day. This may ruin your attitude. Yeah, maybe not in one day. But if you have something else in your life you trying to be successful at, for example, sport, for example, art, for example, book, for example, public speaking, blog, whatever, you can, on this shitty day, you can put all your effort, you can put all your power into making this other part to be as successful as possible. Like, and then you can say to you, I failed at work today, but I succeeded. I did good performance at this particular thing. For example, I ran 10K on a really good pace today, or I did work out and I pushed up 80 kilos, yeah, like that. So this is it, Finn. See you tomorrow. I know you're staying right here, yeah, on my wardrobe, but anyway, I will see you tomorrow, and I will see you tomorrow. Thanks, everyone.